Today I'm going to show you how to make a window box ark, a mini ark. So if you don't have any land under your care, you can still make an ark. Take one windowsill planter. So I filled up the planter with peat-free organic compost. In the gravel around my house there's loads of native, diverse wild herbs, aka weeds, but I'm going to take these and put them in a window box and make a mini ark. Here's a lovely selection with some sow thistles and some dandelion. Right, it's all filled up now with all sorts of creatures, and I'll leave it go and see what it looks like when it's all filled in. These mini arks are actually really important in the desert that is our urban landscape, you know, and our beleaguered wild creatures are really struggling because the foundation stone of all life on earth and all their habitat and their pantry is based on native plant communities. And native plant communities, the beginning step to restoring them is the weeds, you know, which are our native wild herbs, and the earth sends them up in an effort to start to heal her skin and to build up the native plant communities again. And we reef them out because we've been taught as gardeners that they're wrong, you know, that they're almost evil, and we attack them, and you know, we feel under attack from them when really they're just trying to help us. It's not about us, you know, it's about us becoming the weavers of the web of life again. So do what you can, and it's been proven that these little pockets of native plants are like really important, like they're service stations on this desert highway. And if you can go a step further and add some fresh water, some clean sources of water for the insects, and maybe a bird bath or whatever else you can think of, you're going to be creating a really strong connection with nature, even though you may feel like you can't because you're in an apartment. But you can do this, and anyone can do this. Make sure it's fixed properly to the window so it doesn't fall off, and look after it, water it, and yeah, reap the benefits of being in service to nature. And it helps your heart in these times of disconnection and hopelessness. You can be part of the patchwork quilt of hope that we are wrapping around the planet.